Here is to identify the connection for the display. If you put all the dots to the bottom, turn the board around, you'll get two sets of cables, and they both fit at either end. And if you're not careful, because of the locking tab, one will be upside down. So here is the correct way. Here is in the corner it says plus and the top minus. So you want to use the cable whose locking tab is to the left, and the top wire is black and the bottom wire is red. For the injection input, you'll see the ground symbol on top and the signal, the waveform in the bottom, connected this way. But if you, I can't do it, but this one will fit here, and here, this will fit here, but the wires will be all messed up, and you'll think that it was wired incorrectly. So before you power this up, make sure that you are using the connector as like this. And here are the programming buttons. And if somebody's interested, I could show you how to program the offset and how to subtract it from the IF.